all students. In previous lecture, we discussed questions based on sum of and term of an AP. This is exercise 5.3 of class 10. Okay. Now today we will discuss remaining two questions of 5.3 which are very important. Today lecture 6. Okay. So lecture 6, firstly we will discuss 5.3 question number 19. That is very important question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom, 19 in the next, 18 in the next. Now, in how many rows are the 200 logs we will see? Okay. So what is given to you? In bottom, starting number of logs are given to you 20. Then after here given 20 logs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Upper 19, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. That up to so on. Okay. So, in first bottom row, number of logs, that meaning is the wooden stick. Okay, number of logs is equals to 20. Then in second bottom row, number of logs is equals to 9 and so on. So sequence is 20, 19, 18, 17 and so on. And what is given to you? Total logs is equals to 200, which is equals to S. So here we will find out, students, firstly the number of rows. In how many rows we can put these all 200 logs, meaning n value calculate करनी है. So given sequence D1 is equals to 19 minus 20 minus 1. D2 is equals to 18 minus 19 minus 1. So on. So D1 equals to D2. So it is AP form हो रहा नहीं हो रहा, AP form हो रहा है. Now we will use Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of Sn? Sum of all logs is 200. N by 2 as it is, 2, a value 20, n minus 1 and d value minus 1. Now we will simplify. 200 multiply 1, 200 multiply 2 is equals to n. 40 multiply minus n plus 1. Now simplify. 400 is equals to n. 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n. So 400 is equals to 41 n minus n square, which can be written as n square minus 41 n plus 400 is equals to 0. Now we will get that quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation we can solve either the factorization method or the quadratic formula. Now what is the value of a? 1. B value minus 41. And what is the value of say 400? Okay. Now quadratic formula, n equal minus b plus minus b square by square is equal to a. Now substitute value. So after that we will get the n value. Now n is equals to 14 plus minus 41 square is 1681 minus 1600 divided by 2. So n equals to 41 plus minus root of 81 divided 2, which is 41 plus minus 81 is 9 by 2. One time we take positive sign. So n 41 plus 9 upon 2, 50 upon 2 is 25. Second we will take negative. N equal 41 minus 9 upon 2, 32 upon 2 is equals to 16. Now here n two different values are given. So which n value we will select here? Either 25 or 16. Now we will find out here the number of logs in last row. So we will find out A25 also and A16 also. Now number of logs in top row. So top row में either A25 होगा या A16 होगा. So we will calculate firstly A25. A25 is equals to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. A25 equal A plus 20 4D. So A25 A value is 20. 24 D value minus 1. So A25 20 minus 24 minus 4. So minus 4 logs possible है, minus 4 wooden stick possible है, which is not possible. Not possible. Second we will find out A16. A16 A plus directly 15D. A16 is equals to 20 plus 15 multiply minus 1. A16 20 minus 15 is equals to 5. That is possible. So we will select n is equals to 16 and number of logs in top row is equals to 5. Understand why we will not take A25? Because if we will find out A25, that will come negative. That's why total number of rows is 16 and number of logs in top row is 5. Understand? Now next question. Next is question number 20, exercise 5.0. That also very important. Potato race. In a potato race, a bucket is placed here. A bucket is placed, and after 5 meter, that one distance is 5 meter. Then after that distance is 3 meter. Then that distance also 3 meter. A runner is present. Now a bucket is which is 5 meter in the first row, then potato 3 meter apart. There are 10 potatoes in the line. Total number of potatoes are given to you 10. A competitor starts to the bucket and then next potato firstly go, then pick down for first potato, then come back, then again go down for, then again go. Then firstly we will form here sequence. Then after what is the total distance the competitor has to run. Meaning क्या है कि 10 potatoes को इसमें full क्या करेगा, इसमें यहाँ से आएगा run, then again take. The total distance calculate करनी है आपको. So first suppose that competitor is here at that point A, B, C. ये competitor point A पे stand है. AC क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे इसने गया, यहाँ से पिकअप किया, coming, then going. Then total distance in first case, total distance in first case is equals to 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10 or not? 5 coming, then 5 meter back. Second, standing at point B, come, then again go back. So total distance in second case is equals to 5 plus 3 coming and return back. Understand? So 5 plus 3 will come 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. So now we will get sequence. Now the sequence is 10, 16. Next क्या बनेगा 5 plus 3 plus 3, 5 plus 3 8 plus 11, 11 to 22, there are 2, so on. So we will get a sequence. Now we will check whether that sequence is forming AP or not. So firstly we will find out D1. 16 minus 10 is equals to 6. Then find out D2. 22 minus 16 is equals to 6. Up to so on. So D1 is equals to D2. It is AP or not? That is forming AP. Now total number of potatoes is 10. Meaning n value is 10. A is also 10. What is the value of D here? 6. So what we will find out? We will find out S10. So using formula Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now substitute value as 10. 10 by 2, 2 multiply a plus n minus 1 into d is 6 as 10 by 2 20 plus 9 10 minus 1 9 multiplied by 6. So what is the value of s10? 5 20 plus 15 4. So what is the value of s10? 5 multiplied by 74. Now 370. So total distance is 370 meter. Understand? So firstly ये केस was 5 मीटर जाने में 5 मीटर वापस आने में, केस पॉइंट बी से 5 plus 3 8 हो गया, 8 मीटर जाने में 8 मीटर वापस रिटर्न बैक होने में. अब तो सो ऑन सीक्वेंस फॉर्म किया, सीक्वेंस 18 है, देन वी विल फाइंड आउट देयर. Understand? We will discuss exercise 5.4 optional. The in optional all questions are very very important. Now question number first, that is very very important. What is given to you? AP is given to you 121 117 113 up to so on. Is what is its first negative term? First negative term. That type of question students in exam generally ask, and that is very very important question. How we will find out the first negative term? So we don't know. So let its first negative term be an. We don't know. So क्या लेट किया है, इसकी फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म क्या है, an. So firstly we will calculate the value of an. So a is equals to 121. What is the value of d? 117 minus 121 minus 4. So using formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. an is equals to a value 121 plus n minus 1 d value minus 4. an equal 121 minus 4n plus 4. So an equals to 121 plus 4, 125 minus 4. Find an. Now an को क्या कंसीडर किया इसमें, फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म. So for first negative term an is less than 0 or no? Negative का मीनिंग क्या होता है, less than 0. So an less than 0, substitute the value of an. 125 minus 4n less than 0. 125 is less than 4n, or we can write down 4n is greater than 125 भी write कर सकते हैं. Now n greater than 125 upon 4, n greater than divided by 4, 3, 12, 1 upon 4. So always we will take just greater value. So what is the just greater value, or what is the whole number just greater than 31, which is 32? Because 31 1 upon 4 terms possible नहीं है, इसका next whole number क्या होगा, 32. So n equals to 30. So its 32th term is first negative term. First negative term. Okay. So students, that type of questions is very very important and generally asked in examination each and every year. So how we will find out any question first negative term? Firstly we will add, that is nth term is the first negative term. After that, what is the value of a, what is the value of d? So an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. an we will find out the value of an. After that, for first negative term, negative का meaning क्या होगा, less than 0. an less than 0, an will substitute करो, then n value. Now where n is greater than 31 1 upon 4, so 31 1 upon 4 से just greater value क्या होगी, whole number 32. Suppose here will come condition is n greater than 34. So what is the possible value of n? Here we will take n is equals to 35 because we will take just greater whole number. Understand? Now next question. Next question number second. Sum of third and seventh term is 61. So sum of third term is a3. Seventh term is a7 is equals to 6. and their product is 8. Their product A3 multiply A7 is equals to 8. Then find the sum of their first 16 term, meaning as 16 क्या calculate करना है आपको, as 16 we will calculate. Now we know that using this formula, we know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a3 can be written as a plus 2d, 3 minus 1, and a7 can be written as a plus 6d. a3 substitute करो equation first, that is equation first and second equation first में put करो, a plus 2d plus a plus 6d is equals to 6. 2a plus 8d is equals to 6. Equation number first. Second, a3 a plus 2d multiply a plus 6d is equals to 8. Now simplify, multiply plus में इसको simplify करोगे. Now from equation first, that is equation second, from equation first, 2a is equals to 6 minus 8d. So what is the value of a? 6 minus 8d upon 2, over a equal 2 common, 3 minus 4d upon 2 cancel. What is the value of a? 3 minus 4d. So putting value of a in equation second. Now you will put the value of a in equation second, then you will get the value of d. After coming the value of a and value of d, you can easily calculate S16 using this formula. Using this formula, Sn equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because a d value will come two different. So one time you will take positive and one time you will take negative. Then after you will find out their sum. Understand? Next question. In question number 3, what is given to you? A ladder has 25 rungs apart. The rungs decreases uniformly in the length of 45 cm. That is given to a ladder. Down is given to you 45 cm. Then between two rungs, the distance is given to you 25 cm. And top is 25 cm. And the total length of the ladder is 1 upon 2 meter, which is 2.5 meter. Now we will find out what is the total length of the wood. So we will calculate here total length of wood. So how we will calculate the total length of the wood? So firstly here, that form a AP uniformly. So that is form a AP, and in AP A is equals to 45. And what is last? Top AN is equals to 25. तो स्टार्टिंग कहां से हो रहा है? 45 से. एंड कहां पे हो रहा है? 25. फर्स्ट टर्म कैलकुलेट कर लिया आपने, लास्ट टर्म कैलकुलेट कर लिया. अब सम कैलकुलेट करने के लिए किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है? द नंबर ऑफ रग्स. So how we will calculate the number of rungs? So how we will calculate the number of rungs? Number of rungs is equals to total length of the ladder divided by the distance between the two rungs plus 1. Why we will do here plus 1? Suppose that is ladder. Okay, ladder. So how many wooden sticks we will use here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number of blocks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So जितने number of blocks होंगे उनसे 1 extra होगा या नहीं होगा? Number of wooden block, wooden sticks. That is the number of blocks. Okay. So number of blocks is equals to total length of ladder divided by distance between two rungs plus 1. Understand why we will do it? Plus 1 here. Now after we will substitute these values in formula. So number of axes and total length of the ladder is 2.5 मीटर में तो किसमें कन्वर्ट करोगे सेंटीमीटर डिवाइड 25 plus 1 so n value 250 divide 25 plus 1 n value what will come 10 plus 1 is equals to 11 a value given n value given n value will come now Sn n by 2 a plus an. So total number of axes is 11. So after that, how we will calculate? So S11 is equals to 11 by 2. A value 45. An value 25. So S11 11 by 2 multiply 40 and 70 will come. After divide, then you will get the answer. So that is the total length of the ranks for that the wood is required. Understand? So again, first टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में क्या है? आपको स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू गिवन है, एंडिंग वैल्यू गिवन है. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 45, nth term is 25. The total length of the ladder is 2.5 meter and distance between two rungs is 25 centimeter. Okay. So how we will find out the total length of the wood? Firstly, we will find out the number of rungs. How many wooden stick is used? So how many wooden stick is used? Total length of the ladder को किससे डिवाइड करोगे? Distance between two rungs plus 1 का कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने आपको अंडरस्टैंड करवा दिया कि जितने नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स होंगे उनसे 1 एक्स्ट्रा क्या होगी? वुडन स्टिक यूज होगी नहीं होगी? That. Now we will find out the number of rungs. After that, using SN formula, we will calculate the total length of the. Okay. So in today's lecture, we discussed all about the AP. In next one more lecture, we will discuss more questions of AP. Then in lecture 7, we will complete. Okay. So today we will discuss different questions, and that is the students very important questions. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.